As much as we are fascinated by the developments of artificial intelligence in recent years, there is no way that we can deny that this has made it difficult for a good percentage of the population because their livelihoods have been at stake. Want to know which one of you is going to have to dust off their resumes in the wake of AI taking over their jobs? Here are 10 industries that AI will kill off in 2024. Number 10. Traditional retail businesses. We've all been watching as it's been happening. How many stores have closed down in recent times, especially following the COVID-19 pandemic outbreak? Sad to say, but it looks like that the traditional retail industry may have also taken a massive blow due to the emergence of e-commerce giants as well as AI-recommended systems. Thanks to the automated checkout systems that have been used to make the shopping experience feel like a personalized one, AI has begun to change the way we shop for everything ranging from groceries and clothes to automobile vehicles. Guess it's time to say goodbye to that retail job soon. Number 9. Graphic designers. Just like the retail assistants having to search for new jobs on Indeed.com, the graphic designers must be rueing the days that AI turned its attention to their industry. How many of them would have foreseen the creation of Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, platforms that can produce thousands if not millions of designs within moments thanks to the use of complex algorithms to take a look at the current trends and styles for the customer? Understandably, this leaves a lot of graphic designers running for cover as they try to figure out what to do about their jobs. It must be frightening to watch as the need for human input slowly comes to an end as these programs get better at creating artistic styles for the consumers. As such, we can see how human creativity and their input is up against the efficiency and output of AI. With any luck, the humans may come out on top, but looking at the way things are going, it may be quite unlikely. Maybe there can be a way for human graphic designers to use AI as a tool that could make them more efficient. This can be done by using AI to perform repetitive tasks while also providing insights from their database. This allows the human designers to focus on the creative process. That may be the only way for humans and AI to work and advance together. Number 8. Customer service. As frustrating as this may be to those working in the customer service industry, the customers may be delighted to hear that the introduction of AI is set to reduce those long waiting times we all hate as well as those infuriating phone calls we have to endure with the customer service reps when we finally make it through to them. This is due to the fact that AI-powered chatbots are on their way to take over the customer service industry. We can see how they are able to make this work thanks to the natural language processing and machine learning algorithms that can help the apps handle customers who call them with inquiries. These customers would find that these programs can resolve their problems within a fraction of the time it takes human customer service personnel to deal with their issues. Suffice to say, the rise of AI in the customer service industry will see a reduction in call centers. Looks like those guys will have to get a new job. Number 7. Translators and interpreters. Now, we may have thought that these translators would have a job for life, but it looks like AI is set to change all of that in the near future. This is thanks to the state-of-the-art language software that is transforming translation history. With technology involved, these AI translating softwares are able to deliver perfect translations in real time. Considering how great they are in performing their work, one would find that these translators will be troubled by the amount of jobs that are available to them in the near future. That said, we cannot deny the fact that there would always be a need for the human touch that is provided by human translators and interpreters. Considering the fact that AI is still going through some growing pains due to their struggle with capturing the full context of a conversation, it looks like AI and humans may have to work together to make a perfect combination. Let's see what the future holds for these translators. Number 6. Processing and copy editors. Much like our translators, one would find that proofreaders and editors may find that their jobs are at risk because of the development of AI-driven tools. These tools are able to flag grammatical errors with frightening accuracy while also suggesting style configurations to fit the text that they are reviewing. This drastically improves the quality of the text to the point that it threatens the position of old-school spell checkers and reviewers that have been making a living as copy editors. Sure, AI may still struggle with picking up context from time to time, but best believe that they are set to snatch the industry away from those who have been working as proofreaders and copy editors in the near future. Number 5. Transportation. This one may actually surprise some of us, but it looks like AI is set to create a problem for those that work in the transportation industry, especially those who work in the taxi and delivery businesses. This is because the logistics and transportation industry is set to be shaken up by the introduction of AI. Just take a look at all the self-driving cars that are being developed by the likes of Tesla. Then there are the remote-controlled drones that may make human couriers redundant. This may truly be bad news for these guys as AI algorithms become more complex yet more reliable in the field. This may truly spell doom for these guys as already the AI-powered machines are set to be more efficient while being a lot safer for those on the road. Shame to say it, but you may have to say goodbye to your favorite delivery driver. Number 4. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs. Next up, we take a look at how AI is set to transform an industry that relies on precision, speed, and efficiency. Already, we've seen footage of AI-powered robots as they outperform their human counterparts on the production floor. Thanks to their makeup, they seem to be able to perform their jobs with minimal human input. Whether it's car assembly factories or electronic plants, it seems as though AI-driven robots are set to change the components of these assembly lines, as not only are they able to work more hours than humans, they are also most likely to be less error-prone. Unfortunately, this could mean that those working in this field may have to face the uncertain future that lies before them. Number 3. Agriculture. Much like the manufacturing industry, it looks like agriculture isn't immune from AI's influence. Thanks to drones and sensors that are set up with AI algorithms, farms can make use of technology to ensure that things run smoothly on their farms. Not only could they optimize jobs like irrigation schedules, they could also use these AI-powered machines to get rid of weeds and pests that threaten their produce. Simply put, it looks like we're set for a future in precision farming. Number 2. Data entry and data processing. Today, one would find that data is considered to be quite important to businesses looking to find some way to make some progress. After all, information is key. As such, one can see how it is beneficial for these businesses to make use of AI to work through a ton of information that humans may find too much for them to handle. As such, one can see how AI-powered processes such as machine learning and OCR technology can change the game thanks to its ability to convert handwritten and printed text into digital form within moments. As such, this will eliminate the need to use their human counterparts who would have to endure a ton of tasking writing in order to get the job done. As such, it is not far for people working in data entry to worry about what the future holds for them. Number 1. Legal services. Thanks to the use of natural data processing and machine algorithms, those in the legal services industry also have reason to feel worried about the future of their jobs. This is due to the fact that these AI-powered machines are capable of reviewing legal documents while also conducting legal research. As insane as it may sound, these programs are even capable of predicting case outcomes with little to no errors. Consequently, it looks like law firms are looking to make use of the AI-powered solutions so that they could get the best possible outcomes for their cases. As a result, this may spell doom for those that provide certain legal services. Let's hope that they may be able to carve a future for themselves in such a harsh environment.